Okay, so let's now show you how to use the editor, which is right below Chrome on the Favorites toolbar. So I'm going to open it up.
Square bracket edit area, empty file right square bracket.
So the editor always opens up in the area where you would type for a new document. So I'm not going to go into anything specific here because I'm not a good Braille typist at all. But I'm just going to hit spacebar a couple of times to show you where the cursor is. And if I did A, B, C, D, and then just go a little further, I just want to show you different options. So you can do different formats such as bold, italics, underline, and a strike-through format. And I think you've heard this before. An 8 always means to copy or to turn on something, and a 7 means to delete or turn off. So if I wanted to do bold, I could do a chord B with 8, with dot 8, to turn on bold. So if I just do that, you heard it say bold on as an example. And if I type in A now, it'll show the bold on the screen, that it's bolder, as well as his dot 8 and the indication here to show that bold is on in this case. So I can also do that with the whole word. As you can see now on the screen, it's in a darker bold format. I can also turn off that by doing, again, a B space chord B with dot 7, and it turns it off. Same thing with italics. It's a chord I with dot 8 to turn on and dot 7 to turn off, or U would be the same way for underline, or S for strike through. So even if I did that with a dot 8, strike is on, and you can see the word now has a strike through it. And if I did a S chord S with 7, which I didn't do right, strike off. Okay, so you can type in different formats here. Again, UEB, American English Braille, contracted or uncontracted, and do different formats as I just described here as well. If you want to save this, there's a couple ways to go to the menu. The menu is above the typing area, so you could do a chord 1, 2 to go up to the menu. And I'll go back down for a minute. Or you could do a chord M for menu, which is a standard Android option, and it would bring up the menu as well. And then you can navigate with the forward buttons to go from Edit, New, Open, Save, Save As. And if you want to just get rid of this, you don't have to keep it. You can just do New and save first, or just continue without saving. So I just deleted all the stuff I was just typing. So that's how the editor works, and it's very simple.